Hello everyone, my name is Rodrigo and today I'll be showing how to install the Netbeans IDE and show you how to set up the C++ linked to Netbeans. Let's start it. We'll go to show you netbeans.org, hit download, which is pretty straightforward. Right now here we have a list of languages that Netbeans supported. Um, Pretty much for the academic field, we've been using so many languages. I would recommend it to install it all, but just for the class, we can go straight forward. The 63 megabytes. It's very small, but today we're gonna do the full package. Fortunately for the Java platform, since you download it straightforward and install, you don't need to do anything any efforts because it's already gonna install the compiler, the libraries, everything you need to do. However, C, I'm gonna cancel because I already have on the computer, but you guys can go ahead and download it. It's pretty straightforward and easy. However, for C++, requires a little bit of effort. You have to go to an outside package and you need to use a different compiler for this. So right now let's go to the what the money is. We go to CGYN, go to the website. See, pretty straightforward. Install CGYN. Then you pretty much, I believe, most of the Windows systems that actually will be running the 64-bit platform, you can run the setup over here and install. I will have the setup over here, pretty straightforward. Once you download it, choose the place that you want to put in your file. You click on setup. It's also very straightforward, the installation. Usually they have a root directory. Usually I like to copy this and save with all the local package directory because I don't like to I don't like to put in a different files and different parts of the computer. I like to be very organized. That's my personal opinion. I would recommend it to put everything on the same package so we have the reference for the compiler for C if you need to for somehow change the for future reference if you want to change it like for a different type of editor language that you want to use. Then hit the next. Straightforward, very simple. Now we have a list of mirrors, all servers that we can download. We have over, I believe, over 40 over here. We can pretty much pick any one, which is they always gonna take the for where you wanna be. There's no secret. Hit the next. Now this is the complex part of the installation. Usually I'm not very fan of this kind of setup. You have to be very careful over here, but nothing's impossible. First, we have a search bar over here on this part. We're gonna type gcc hyphen core, and then you go to develop, and we're gonna select the gcc core GNU compiler collection. Since I already have installed on my computer it's showing me as a keep. However, since you guys are gonna do the first time, it's gonna show as a skip. So you see, you can come here, switch around, just to let you know. I will give it the keep. You come here and you go, and everything you do, it turns to a number. You see, you leave that number over here. It shows that you select the package, that part of the package. Now, second step inside of the CGWin setup is to go to the GCC-G++. Sometimes every time when I install, I put a C++. That's a common mistake people do, and then realize it's G++. Right now, as the same I told you before, we're gonna go and choose the GNU compile collection for C++. For me, show as a keep. For you guys, whenever install, it's gonna show as a skip. So you change, so you roll until the number comes out. Keep that skip. Now, third step. We're gonna go um, for the GDB file, which is pretty much always gonna target the develop part. Go to the GDB debugger, keep until the name comes up, leave, and then you go to make, and then you go to develop part, and oops, I'm sorry. We go here and select the make, the GNU version of the make utility. This is the only guy we're gonna pick up over here. Hit the button again. After we choose all that's it. That's all the package that we need to run C or C++ using Windows. Now we hit the next. Usually install all the packages. It take a while. I'm gonna skip because I already have installed on my computer. Oh, it's pretty much it's going fast. Should I wait? Let's wait. Not gonna hurt anybody. Usually, this is not the process that it's install all the packages on a computer. 1 second. Okay. Usually, I don't create icons because I don't personally access the file. I finish up. I go to, let's open the Netbeans right now. Come on, Netbeans, come on, yes. We go to Tools, Options, and then you choose the tabs C and C++. Usually, if this tab doesn't show up over here, what you gotta do is open a new project, and then you, on the list of the projects here, see that the language options that you have, we pick C++, and then hit an X, and automatically the icon's gonna be over here. So this is the list of the package you see when I save it at the bottom of the C drive. It's gonna be shown over here for me. After this, if you don't see any part of this, those shortcuts over here, actually the path of the link from the compiler to Netbeans, it means that you did something wrong. So I recommend you to go back in the video and follow up the steps very carefully. Right now, what you're gonna do is store the files after, and as like I said, you can hit OK. This is just to make sure that the total collection is going to be here. It's going to be linked to the compiler to the Netbeans. Then you hit OK. And I already have open here a C application. You can come here, start about it again, C application. And we can create a test too, just in case. And that's it. We come here to source files, man CPP, double click, and you're good to go. Thank you very much for watching. And any problems, or any doubts, or any issues, just write a comment, anything on under the video description. Thank you very much.